Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make a unicorn poke cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 3/4 cups of flour, add in a half a teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 250 grams of butter, add in 1 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 5 eggs, a little at a time. Mix until smooth. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add your dry ingredients in 2 batches. And add in a 1/4 cup of milk. Mix until smooth. Separate this mixture into 4 separate bowls. Dye one yellow, pink, blue and purple. Dollop your mixture into a baking pan. And bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes. Make some vanilla pudding according to directions given on the back of the packet. Poke the cake with the back of a wooden spoon. And spread on the vanilla pudding. Then frost the whole cake with some buttercream. I use my basic buttercream recipe, which I'll link. I cut out a unicorn stencil and I placed it onto the cake. Then I filled the stencil with some sprinkles. I placed some buttercream into 3 separate bowls and I dyed them yellow, pink and blue. Then I lined up all 3 colors on some cling wrap. I rolled it up and I placed it into a piping bag. I piped some colourful hair onto the unicorn. And then I did a colourful border for the cake. And I coloured some coconut to green. And I put that all around the cake. I added some silver balls onto the hair. Enjoy a unicorn poke cake.